done here. Here's 12 treller balls. Treller hitch balls. They're from 2 5/16 down to probably 1 3/4 or 2 inches here. 2 5/16. Here's one of the raised on. It's hard to climb. It's raised up. Another 2 inch. Another 2 inch. 1 7/8. 12 of those. Then you've got hinges. You've got gate hinges. You've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 17 of those. Probably 50 of these in the package yet. They are, they're 1 inch long. The outside of them is 3/4. The inside's a 1/2 inch approximately. We've got 2 bags of them. These here are a little shorter.